You finish a job, clean the work area, walk the result with the customer, and hear the words every business owner wants. This looks great. Then you pack the truck, drive away, and never ask for a review. A month later, your profile still shows the same old feedback while a competitor keeps collecting new reviews. In this video, you'll build a simple AI-assisted review system. When to ask, what to say, how to respond, and when not to ask. The goal is not to manufacture 5-star ratings. It is to make it easy for satisfied customers to share an honest experience. AI cannot create customer satisfaction, and it should never write a fake review. It can help you organize appropriate follow-ups and draft a clear request. Do not tell customers what rating to leave. Provide a review they can paste as their own, offer an undisclosed reward, pressure someone during a disagreement, or ask AI to imitate a customer. Follow the review platform's policies and any laws that apply to incentives, endorsements, and customer communication. Your best review strategy still begins with accurate expectations, professional communication, quality work, cleanup, and a clear walkthrough. Ask after a real moment of confirmed satisfaction. That might be after the customer completes the walkthrough and says the work meets the agreed scope, after you resolve a concern, and the customer confirms the resolution, or in a short follow-up after the completed job. Avoid asking before work is complete while a complaint is unresolved, or when the customer appears uncomfortable. A review request should feel like an optional next step, not a condition of receiving good service. Record whether you asked so the same customer does not receive repeated requests from different lists. Use this prompt. Write an optional review request for my Handyman business using only the confirmed facts below. Give me 3 versions, a text message under 70 words, a short email, and 1 sentence for a printed leave behind. Thank the customer, identify the completed service in general terms, provide a placeholder for my verified review link, and make it clear that honest feedback is welcome. Do not request a specific rating, suggest review wording, invent satisfaction, mention an incentive, create urgency, or include private project details. Ask me what needs verification before I send it. Confirm facts, then add only the information the message actually needs. That completes the door adjustment we agreed on. We tested the operation together, and I've cleaned the work area. Is there anything about the completed scope you'd like me to review before I pack up?
No, everything we discussed is working well. Thank you for explaining it.
I appreciate that. I'll send 1 optional link where you can leave honest feedback about your experience. There's no obligation, and you can contact me directly if another question comes up. The handyman confirms the walkthrough first. He does not ask for 5 stars, hand the customer a script, or make the request part of the payment conversation. A text version could say, "Thank you for choosing Example Handyman Service for your interior door project. If you would like to share honest feedback about your experience, you can use this verified review link. Feedback is optional and helps local customers understand what working with us is like." Before sending it, verify the customer, service description, business name, link, and permission to use that contact method. An email can add a useful subject line, while a printed card should use a short, readable link or QR code you tested yourself. Never let AI invent the destination. Your response matters because future customers may read it. For a positive review, thank the reviewer, acknowledge a detail only if it appears publicly in the review, and keep the response brief. For example, "Thank you for taking the time to share your experience. We appreciate the opportunity to help with the door project, and are glad our communication was useful." Do not reveal an address, price, schedule, private conversation, or additional work the reviewer did not mention. Avoid pasting the same generic response under every review. AI can draft variations, but you must confirm that each sentence is supported. For a negative review, slow down. Do not argue while frustrated or ask AI to prove the customer wrong. Save relevant records, review the facts, and follow the platform's reporting process if the review violates a policy. A public response might say, "Thank you for sharing your concern." We take feedback seriously and would like to review the situation through our normal customer service process. To protect your privacy, Please contact us through our verified business contact method so we can identify the project and discuss the details. This does not admit facts you have not verified, attack the reviewer, or expose the disagreement. Move the detailed conversation away from the public page. Once a week, review completed jobs that reached an appropriate request moment. Confirm which customers were already asked, which link and contact method are correct, and whether any concern remains unresolved. Ask AI to organize the list and draft messages, but do not let it send them. Review each message, personalize one real detail if appropriate, and record the outcome. Then check new public reviews and prepare responses. Keep only the customer information your process needs, protect access to the records, and honor requests not to receive further messages. The complete request prompt and response framework are in the description. Start by improving the moment after your customer walkthrough. Make sure the customer knows what was completed, what was not included, and how to reach you with a question. Then offer one optional path to honest feedback. What feels harder in your business? Asking for reviews? Remembering to ask? Or responding to negative feedback? Tell me below. Subscribe to AI Work Crew for practical AI systems for local service businesses. Next, we'll turn one completed handyman job into a full week of original content without inventing a single customer story.